Welcome to Caching Waves. I wanted to give a update on HBAR Hedera Hashgraph. For our exchange, we're on Binance, and my time zone is UTC -4, and it is August 10th. Now, quickly off our high, we have a WXY complex correction down to our low in December last year. Off that, we have a proposed three-wave move, in my view, for a couple different reasons. First, this correction seems too long for this to be a five-wave, and also if we go to linear, proposing our extension off our A wave from our B wave running flat, we did hit the 0.618, so we hit our minimum required target for this to be considered complete. After that, we had a complex correction WXY, and off that low at 3.99 cents, we have what appears to be a leading diagonal. So what we're expecting next is to correct here sideways for a little bit, and then we're looking for our next move up in a three-wave pattern. In an A, B, C. We're looking for this move next. You can see it right here. Now on the longer term, I just wanted to show you the few different things I'm tracking. First of all, if we hit the 1-to-1, that's the area I'm very interested in, and we start to reject hard, I'd expect us to make a new low, in which case we just have a double zigzag in a WXY. Or even if we make five waves, then we have a flat pattern, in which case we can come up to this area here between the 1.236 and the 1.382. Those are the most likely targets for our five wave. And also my most bullish case, I have this as an ABC for our third in a leading diagonal, get our pullback, and we go again for our fifth, at which case we'd have either an A wave or a wave one once that completes. So we'd expect a correction after that for either the B wave, or look to go long for the C, or our third wave. Now pulling out from there, those are my two primary counts, and we also have a potential WXY we have to look out as well. As you can see, in a lot of these cases, we end up hitting the same areas. We'll just have to pay attention to get the most out of our trades. And in which case we would get a three-wave pattern followed by a three-wave pattern followed by a three-wave pattern for our WXY. Now zooming in closer, we're currently in the B wave of this wave here. Zooming in on the 4 hour, you can see we hit pretty much perfect. This was my invalidation point. This was my invalidation point for our wave 5 in the A wave up here, because at that point the third wave would be the shortest. We nicely rejected right on the trend lines, which leads me to believe we're on the right path. Now how I'm going to be taking this trade is I'm going to wait for the A to complete. We're looking for five waves here. Once we get our five waves, I'll be taking my short down to the 50 to the 618 with my stop at the high. Get a nice little 3-to-1 on this last leg here. And after that, we'll be looking for our long with our stop at the low here. Just need a little bit more room. I would suggest subscribing because I'll be giving updates as this move happens. Looks like it might happen either this weekend or next week, and we'll be able to get in those solid trades. But until then, that's what we're looking for. Right now we're just targeting linear because log has such higher targets. You can see how far we are away from the 50 to the 618. Which is the target we'd be looking for off this off this down move. You can see how far away we are from that, all the way up at 30 cents. And in log scale, we'll be targeting about 14 cents if we get that wave one. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Please leave any comments or questions below, and be sure to subscribe for these trade setups coming up. Cheers.